birthday, Ate Reese. Happy birthday, Ate Reese. Happy birthday, Ate Reese. Happy birthday, Ate Reese. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Reese. Thank you for being so nice to me. I love you and God bless you. Mwah.
Hi, Ate Reese. Happy birthday. Thank you for always playing with me. Take care and God bless you.
Hi, Reese. Thank you for the invite. I know we can't make it, but we want to say happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Bye-bye!
More birthdays to come. Proud na proud kami sa'yo. We love you.
Happy
Legality.
Reese! So, wish ko lang sa'yo is good luck sa journey mo and continue being ikaw na laging masaya. And yun lang, happy birthday!
I wish you good health always and good luck sa journey mo sa life and continue kung anong ginagawa mo. And pagpatuloy mo yung pagpapasaya mo sa amin. Yun lang.
Hi Reese! So, I wish you all the best for today's video. Hindi, pero sana yun nga, maging successful ka sa life, makuha mo yung mga wants mo and needs mo in the future, and ipagpatuloy mo lang yung mga gusto mong ginagawa ngayon. God bless. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Reese! We love you!
Hi Reese! Happy 18th birthday! So, masasabi ko lang is, enjoy your day! Like, yes! Ikaw yung pinakamabait, masipag, maganda, matalino, lahat na, pinakakalog, pinaka-talented kong kaibigan. Like, lahat na nasa iyo, te. Ayun. Hiningal ako dun. Pero ayun, sana matupad lahat ng wish mo sa buhay. And lagi mo lang tatandaan na andito ako lagi para sa'yo. And yung chikitings ni Lazal, we're all here for you. Always and forever. So ayun, enjoy your day. More blessings to come. And yun! Looking forward to more tawanans in our class, you know? Yes. Bye!
Hi Reese! Happiest 18th birthday sa'yo, and wish ko lang is always take care sa health mo kasi major na tayo, mabilis na tayo magkasakit. Always be kind and yun, praying for your huge success in the future.
Happy birthday, Reese, and you're 18 na. Gusto ko sabihin sa'yo na super thankful namin mga kaibigan mo na naging kaklase ka namin. At ngayon, naging kaibigan ka namin ng sobra. Naging way iyon para mas makilala ka namin ng lubos at kung sino man ikaw. Nagpapasalamat din ako dahil sa suporta, sa pagbibigay din ng saya sa amin, at laging pag-iintindi sa amin. Gusto ko din sabihin na good luck sa life. After this school year, magiging college na tayo. Mas magiging mahirap, pero mas magiging malakas tayo para makamit natin mga gusto natin sa buhay. At alam namin na kaya mo yun, kaya natin, at makakamit din natin to sa future. And gusto ko lang ulit sabihin na good luck, happy birthday, be Reese, and always be healthy, happy, and be Reese always.
Happy birthday, Reese! Welcome to the Legality. I hope you will reach all your dreams. See you soon. I love you.
Hello, Reese. Happy 18th birthday. Keep being the MVP in your life's journey. You're officially a grown up. Just enjoy your day and God bless you always.
This day my cousin was born. Happy birthday, Reese. Enjoy your day. God bless us.
Happy birthday, Apo. And many more birthdays to come. I love you, Reese.
happy birthday, Reese. It's a really this is a really big step up, I guess. Parang it's just like the age where, you know, it's like a really big step you have to take, since it's all about legality and stuff. And yun nga, happy birthday, happy 18th. And yeah, sana masaya ka na naabot mo yung edad na to, kahit alam mo na makukulong ka. And yun, anyways, whatever fight or battle you'll be going through or you'll be facing, just know that you'll be facing it with your mom, with your dad, with me and Tatch, and even with my family. Our families are always close. Your family is basically my family, and my family is basically your family. And yeah, that's all. And I hope you keep studying well. I hope you keep playing well, and I hope you keep chasing your dreams. And that's all. Happy birthday, Reese. I love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Reese. Mag-aral ka mabuti and see you soon. I love you. Always here for you.